guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a Primark haul as well as a Ikea haul because I also picked up some bits from there. So I took a trip down to London and I went to Lakeside and I went to the Primark in there and actually picked up quite a few good bits, and I also picked up some stuff from the Ikea there because they've got like a massive Ikea. So I thought I would nip in and pick some stuff up because I wanted to get some new things for like the spring, summer, just like a nice little refresh. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, then please keep on watching. So let's get started because I've got 3 big bags from Primark first. So what should we go with first? So the first thing I picked up was this, and I thought this would be perfect in my bathroom. I just felt like I wanted to just bring something different to my bathroom, a nice little refresh for the spring season approaching. Honestly, I don't know about you, but I cannot wait for the weather to get warmer. And I saw this and I thought like this would be a great addition to my bathroom, just on like the windowsill. I loved it. I felt like it was something different than like a normal plant pot, so I loved that, and this was £6. Next up, I saw this soap dispenser. I thought this would be perfect in my kitchen just because I obviously like to wash my hands before I do anything with the washing up, with washing Pia's bottles, and I just have like a normal classic soap. And I just felt like it would be nice to just make it look a little bit cuter. And I also picked up something else that I think will go really well with this, just in the section in my kitchen. So I picked up this little wooden plate, and I thought this would be perfect with this in the same area, just with the washing up liquid, the sponge and the bottle cleaner. So I feel like it looks a little bit more neater rather than just having them all scattered around my kitchen. And this was £5.50 and this one was £4.50. Next up, I picked up this very beautiful photo frame. I absolutely fell in love with this. I actually really love having photo frames up in my house. I just feel like, obviously I've got a lot of photos on my phone, but it's also nice to just have them out around the house as well. And I've got a few with me and Pia already in the house, but I wanted to get this one because I feel like it would look nice with a black and white photo from when we went on holiday to Cyprus. It's Pia's first holiday. I feel like that would look really nice in this beautiful frame. So I picked this up and this was £3.50, which I think actually looks more expensive than that. Next up, I picked up these 2 waffle throws, and I actually thought these were so nice. These were actually reduced from £12 down to £6, so they were half price, and I absolutely love the waffle effect. These are actually going to look perfect in my bedroom with my beige, sort of whitey beige room that I've got going on. I feel like these would just look nice thrown over the bed, and I just think it's going to look really pretty and just put together. So can't really go wrong for £6 each. Next up, I picked up 2 of these. They're basically little baskets, like little pop ones. You can use these for absolutely anything, but I think what I'm going to use these for are, I'm probably going to use them in Pia's room. Maybe one of them I'll use for some more of Pia's toys, just so they're nice and organised and put away. And also I thought I could use one for Pia's wash basket as well, so they stay separate to mine. I thought that would also work really well. These were also on sale as well, so they were originally £8 and then they were down to £4. So I thought that was really good, and there was literally loads of them. So definitely go and check these out because I feel like they're so useful in the house. They also did have other prints as well. Next up, I picked up this candle. Honestly, this smells so nice and so clean. So this is the cotton scent, and I just felt like I wanted to get a new candle for the new year. And I feel like now that, fingers crossed, we haven't got hot weather at the moment, but when the hot weather season starts to approach, just, you know, the sun's out and the windows are up, this is just going to smell the whole apartment out so nice and so clean and fresh. So that's what I thought when I picked this up, and I love a big candle, and this was super affordable for how big it is. It was literally £7, and I feel like a lot of places sell their candles so expensive, whereas £7 in Primark is so good. I picked up one of these bags. I just think these are so useful. Like, I absolutely love being organised and having like storage. They're literally like my favourite things ever. And I saw this, and I've been looking for something to put Pia's nappies, wet wipes, and just her like little nappy section of stuff, because obviously I have a backpack for her where I just put all of her milks and, you know, extra clothes and stuff like that. But I feel like the one thing I reach for the most is her nappy and wet wipes, etc. And I wanted to get an own separate bag for that. If you guys know where I can get like an actual nappy bag where it's not too big but it's like got enough in there so you can put nappies, wet wipes, nappy rash cream and stuff like that, do let me know. But for now I thought this one would be quite useful, and obviously if I don't end up using it for that, I can honestly find so many other reasons for me to use this because it's so useful. And yeah, I really like it. I like the fact that it's see-through so you can see everything that's inside it. And this was £6. Next up, I picked up some baby hangers. Honestly, you can't really get enough. I only had a few originally, and I actually picked them up from TK Maxx, and then I saw that they had them in Primark for a lot cheaper. So if you're after some hangers, even adult size ones, they're a lot cheaper in there, so I highly recommend. So I picked up 2 of them for Pia's clothes. I also picked up some baby items as well, which I'll really quickly run through because I know not everyone has kids or are really interested in that, but I'll just whiz through really quickly what I picked up. Okay, how adorable is this? I saw this little dinosaur and I honestly could not say no. This literally fits so perfectly in Pia's bedroom. We've got like the pastel shades going on in her bedroom, like most of the stuff that's on her side from Primark, and it's actually reduced at the moment. I did see it in there the other day, and it's basically like, you know, musical stuff or little games and stuff. There's literally so much, and it's definitely worth checking out because they are all half price at the moment. I just thought this would be like a cute little addition, and this was £5, and they've got so many cute toys in there. So yeah, I feel like there's going to be like a collection going on for me from there because I just love them, and I just think, look at that, it's so cute, and there were so many different ones in there, so check them out. I saw this cute little set. I just thought this was super easy and I loved it. Obviously the weather is still cold at the moment, so I like to get Pia some clothes that obviously are going to keep her nice and toasty. I saw this little set. I know it's blue and it's probably for boys, but I just love it, and I feel like blue really suits Pia because she's got such blue eyes. It literally brings them out even more. So I saw this little set and I thought I'm going to have to pick that up. It comes with a little baby vest underneath as well, and this set was £11. And next up, I also picked up 2 more baby grows. I had to pick these up because the one thing with me, literally letting everybody know, is how much I love and find the zip up baby grows so much easier than the buttons. I saw these really pretty ones and they've got like little roses on them, and they also have this one which is a little bit more simpler with just like the little logo on the side, and I just thought these were so adorable. You get 2 for £9 and I just love them. And the last thing I picked up was just this adorable little hat, which I think Pia's gonna look so cute in this and protected, and it's also adjustable as well. So the first thing I actually picked up from Ikea were these 2 throws. These are going to look so perfect on my sofa. So basically I have a really big, massive white sofa. It's kind of got like that teddy bear effect and I love it so much. And currently right now I have it covered over with throws which are more of like a beige shade, but I really just wanted to bring it back to life with more of like a white shade, just purely because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it just makes the room a lot brighter, and I feel like the beige was nice, but it was nicer in the autumn winter, and I feel like I want to bring more brightness into the room, and I feel like white is of course going to be the perfect shade for that. So I'm doing a whole refresh on my sofa, which I'll show you guys anyway, and also if you follow my vlogs you guys will see I'm going to sort it all out with you guys on there so you guys can see. Also, if you don't have a white sofa and you really want a white sofa, you could just do the trick that I'm going to do, so works really well, so I'll show you guys what I mean. But I did pick up these 2 throws which I absolutely love the look of them, and I love the shade as well. It's kind of got like the beigey element still in there, and I just feel like it would just give that little bit of a pop of colour, just because the whole sofa is practically just going to be all white. So I love these, so I picked these up. Then I picked up 4 new pillowcases. I just went for classic white. I was looking at all of the pillows in there and there was such a wide variety of shades of white, but I was just really looking for just like that pop of white, just to add a little bit more, a tiny bit of colour in there. I also picked up 2 of these linen ones as well, which is more of like a beigey shade, so I also picked up these, and I feel like they're gonna look so nice on my sofa. I honestly cannot wait to sort it all out. Of course, I also picked up all of the pillows for them also. So when you go to Ikea, you have to get the cases separately, and then you also could get these separately as well, or if you already have them at home, which we didn't really have them. I've only got a few at the moment and they're a lot bigger, so I needed to get some more of these, so I picked up quite a few of those. And I picked up 3 of these I'm basically going to be covering my sofa with, just because I want to protect my sofa as well. We keep the back bit open, but the bottom bit that we sit on I do like to cover just to protect it. So yeah, I went with this really pretty white shade. I love these, and they're also going to be quite warm as well to sit on, so I love those. So we picked up 3 of these. I then saw some bits for Pia, and I felt like these would be perfect for her like little breakfast stuff, so I got these bowls for her, which I love, in all these different colours. I then just picked up some little spoons as well. They also had forks and knives as well, but I just got the spoons. And then I also got these plates as well, which also come in all different colours as well, and I feel like these would be good for dinners. And just picked one of these up for our bathroom, just because our ensuite bathroom doesn't have like a storage area for the shampoo and the conditioner in the shower, and it is on the floor, and I feel like it really bugs me on the floor. Not that it's a huge issue, but I just feel like I wanted something set up in there just so it's like easy accessible and it's nice and all put together. So I also picked up one of these as well. The last boring thing that we picked up was a gel because Ben needed one, and this one was a cute little one, so we picked that up. So that is everything that I picked up from Ikea and Primark. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to be filming me sorting it all out in the next coming videos, probably the next vlog that you guys will see anyways, and also taking my trip to Ikea, so you guys will see that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more Primark homeware hauls or Ikea hauls, let me know down below. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!